Nani, what was your favorite and least favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was when Jen said, "I now pronounce you husband and wife." My least favorite part of the day, that the air conditioning isn't on.
Holding on through all the years. Looking back brings me to tears. Oh, I wanna see this through.
All right, so this is a little poem I started for you. We'll see how it goes. I hate the way you talk to me. And when you think I'm not there. I hate it that you've lived so far away, especially when you have nothing to wear. I hate it that you confuse me and the way you read my mind. I hate the way you shake your butt. I can't, no matter how hard I try.
I will keep you safe for all my life. And you will have my heart for all of time. Even on your darkest days, you know that I will never change. Oh, I will love you the same. Oh, I will love you.
I hate it when you don't need me, but I think we all know why.
Tell me how the
I could go on, but there's supposed to be like 10 things I hate about her, but there really isn't anything I hate about her. Not even a little bit. Nothing at all.
keep my faith in.
I love my little sister. I couldn't be more proud of you.
Even on my darkest days, I know that you will never change. Oh, I will love you the same. Oh, I will keep you safe for all my life. And you will have my heart for
Brian, thank you. Thank you for being there for my sister from the day you met her. Thank you for accepting all of us and all our crazy that came along with it. I love you both. Congratulations.
I love you the same.